What's up, everyone? We're at Quest Watersports in Ottawa, Illinois, local Hobie dealer here in Illinois. We are picking up my new kayak. It's a 2017 Hobie Outback. Went with blue this year. Got a bunch of nice stuff here. Awesome trailers. Got a Revo. Nice Oasis. Golf carts, big boats, pro anglers, tandem islands, stand-up paddle boards, new Mirage Eclipses. New i12s, got the new i11s, also with the reverse drive. Probably going to pick one of these up as well. I've really been wanting one for about 2 years now since they came out. Every accessory you could possibly need. Got roof racks, carriers, Hobie swag. These are new. Digging the orange ones. PFDs, always make sure you have one of those. Hey, there's me. Woohoo! Cards. There's Jeff, the guy that owns this place. New Hobie carts. Right here. So these actually break down. You can pop them right in the hatch. Digging all the Railblazer stuff that they're running through Hobie now. So those are really quite nice. Love the starports, gun racks, camera mounts. My personal favorite rod holder right here, the Railblazer rod holder II, a nice flat star base. So there it is. This is Quest Watersports. Anything you need, they have it. If they don't have it here, they'll get it for you fast. Kayaks, we've got, there's used ones here, there's new kayaks, anything that you need, just shoot me an email, go on Facebook, check them out there, or you could always go to questwatersports.com. So time to load up the new yak.